Hello everyone, I am Mr. S.P. Ghodke, Assistant Professor and Coordinator Department of BBIB. I am dealing with the subject Business Accounting. The course code is 103 and this is the subject of first semester of the class FY BBA The curriculum is having a pattern of 2019 CBCS. The course is part of the curriculum of BBIB which is offered by the Savitribai Phule Phule University. Now, we'll see the detailed overview of business accounting first, so that once we start with the content, it will be easy for you to understand each and every concept of business accounting. So, it is very clear that in modern accounting, as a beginning with the development of double entry accounting system, so which has been developed by the scientist, that is Italian scientist is there, Luca Pasilio, in the 14th century. So in double entry accounting system, all the entries are recorded as both debits and credits, and therefore the fact that all debits should be equally corresponding to the credits. So it means that debit is equals to credit. So financial accounting is generally requirement by the regulation of law, because as financial accounting deals with the statements like trading account, profit loss account and balance sheet. So there must be an uniformity in these statements, and for that there is a Companies Act 1956, which is a law which is applicable to all the concerns, and they need to follow the guidelines which are set by that particular law. So businesses and the managerial accounting is focused on the needs of business rather than meeting external accounting standards. So business accounting typically involves a significant amount of projections and modeling activities, and often used to help in decision making and performance evaluation. So the main difference between financial accounting and business accounting is that financial accounting is focused on meeting external financial standards. On the other hand, business accounting consists of three basic activities. First, identification; second, recording; and third, communicating the economic events of a company. So accountants use bookkeeping techniques to systematically record economic events or the business transactions. So business accounting is a vast phenomenon which throws lights on the topics of the accounting. So at the graduation level, in this subject, you will study the following points. The first, that is financial accounting. So what exactly financial accounting? So financial accounting is a special branch of accounting that keeps track of the company's financial transactions using standardized guidelines. So the transactions are recorded and presented in a financial statement such as profit and loss account and the balance sheet. So according to both practical and theoretical base, there are some important accounting principles. These accounting principles are based on a few assumptions that are called as accounting concepts. So these all accounting concepts find wide acceptance across the world. So by accounting professionals and the auditors. And for the international organization, there are international accounting standards. So the basic accounting principles are based on certain accounting conventions and the traditions that have been followed by the accounting authorities and the regulations and are followed internationally as well. So an accounting transaction is a business event having monetary impact on the financial statements of a business. So it is recorded in accounting record of the business. Accounting transactions are neither directly or indirectly recorded with a journal entry. All business transactions are first recorded in journal, then they are transferred to a ledger, and then the ledgers were balanced, and these ledger balances were transferred to the trial balance, and a trial balance is prepared. So with the help of trial balance, then the preparation of final accounting, that is the financial statements like trading, profit loss account and the balance sheet is prepared. So final account can be said as the summarized statement issued when a business transaction has been concluded. So mostly final accounts are the accounts which are prepared at the end of the financial year or a accounting year. Then as you will be able to understand the basics of financial accounting and accounting transactions and final account, then there is one more aspect which is coming in business accounting is bank reconciliation statement. So in financial accounting, a bank reconciliation statement is a process that explains the difference on a specific date between the bank balance shown in the organization's bank statement as supplied by the bank and the corresponding amount shown in the organization's own accounting records. So there are several problems that continuously arise as a part of the bank reconciliation statement and which you should be aware of. Those differences are: first, the uncleared checks that continue to not to be presented, then the checks clear the bank after having voided, or deposited checks are returned, bank errors or the mistakes made by the bank, so because of which there will be an error and the statements are showing different figures and the bank record sorry the business records are also showing the different records. Then the last unit of this subject is the computerized accounting. So the computerized accounting system and its awareness among the entities have become necessary in the modern world, and businesses of whatever field and size are shifting from the traditional to the computerized world, and they are making an uh, record maintenance on the computer. So rather manually they are moving towards the computerized accounting. So computerized accounting system is a software that helps the business houses to manage so big financial transactions, data, reports and other statements with high efficiency, speed and better accuracy. So not only that, better quality work, lower operating cost is also there. So overall this is all about the basic of the business accounting. So in the next session we'll start with unit number 1, that is financial accounting. Thank you.